Peace and blessings, everyone. How you all doing? This is Zebra Fall with the Black Urban Gardening Society. Today I want to do a video to give you guys a little information on International Black Gardening Day. International Black Gardening Day is really a celebration that we've inspired here at the Black Urban Gardening Society to celebrate farmers, growers, internationally throughout the world. And when we say Black Gardeners Day, it's a celebration of African people of African descent. It's a day that we would love for everyone to participate in, and it's just a celebration of growth. International Black Gardening Day is going to be held annually the third Saturday of April. So what do you do on that day? This is a day really for you to get together with your family, celebrate, and spend time in the garden. Spend time growing your own food. Spend time teaching other people how to grow food. Spend time helping to build community through the tool of agriculture. So spend time doing this with your, like I said, your family, your friends, your loved ones, community members, whomever you like. But let's just use this day to recognize and acknowledge not only the history of agricultural progress that we made as a people, but also to educate the next generation in the pursuits of agricultural progress. So however you like to spend it, please spend it. Please post pictures, videos, hashtag International Black Gardening Day. Peace and love, everyone. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos. And you guys have a beautiful day. Peace.